Karnataka Congress leaders on Sunday refuted CM Ibrahim, state JDS president's statement that they had kept his party in the dark about fielding a second candidate to the Rajya Sabha elections. Congress insiders told Salar News that senior party leaders had met H.D. Devegowda, former Prime Minister, around 27th May to apprise him of the party's decision to field a second candidate and a minority for the fourth seat and had sought his support. The Congress leaders had even gone to the extent of suggesting that an independent candidate can be fielded who can be supported by both parties, but the JDS turned it down, sources said. Ibrahim had told the media that his party fielded a candidate only after they were assured of the Congress support. He also said the Congress should have informed the JDS of their intent to field a second candidate and from the minority community. Elections to 4 Rajya Sabha seats from Karnataka will be held on June 10th. The ruling BJP, Congress and the JDS have each fielded a candidate for the fourth seat, for which none of them have the requisite numbers of 45 votes to get the nominee elected on their own.